How's it going, everybody? It's April 8th. This is Merch by Amazon sales update. I wanted to talk about yesterday, which is the 7th, but then I wanted to also mention what's happening today. And I'm curious if anybody else is going through this. It's about I'm actually recording this fairly late in the day, well, later than I record my other videos, and it's about 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. Usually by this time I would have, I don't know, I think yesterday at 9 o'clock I had something like 6 or 7 sales. Usually I do, even before I wake up, I have a few international sales. Today, only one, and in the UK. So absolutely no sales in the US. And that was after a day like yesterday where I had 8 sales in the US. And this is actually very good. Good, as you can see, like I was talking about, 7 sales being a spike on this chart. And then 10 is great. 8, was awesome. I was thinking we're finally picking up some momentum. And then today, like I said, we're gonna hit 1 o'clock, and there are 0 sales pretty much across the board, and only one sale in the UK. That's worrisome. I'm actually curious about how this day is going to be, but I also wanted to be I wanted to make that part of this video. Let's take a second and just look at the sales, because I don't want to take too long and drag this video on, because there are only a few simple things that I wanted to mention and give you guys an update on. Yesterday's sales, 12 in total, so 8 in the US, and then I had 4 additional sales, which is perfect. Like I've been averaging about 10, so 12 is slightly above average, and this is the second day in a row where I'm getting 12. So for the last 2 days, as you can see here, 24 sales, 18 in the US, and then a few random ones across the board. This brings me to 71 sales, which is still about 20 behind March. So this month for me is slower. And if we're looking at percentages, I would have to say significantly slower, because we're looking at maybe 20 to 25% less than what I had last month, roughly. Like my math might be off here, but so far this is looking okay. So let's look at last month, the first 8 days, or we'll do 7 days, because today is definitely not over. But 88. So about 20. Like it's about 17, I think, if my math is right here. So still, by the end of the day, I'll probably be at least 10 to 15 sales behind March. That's for the sales update. The actual sales for today, like I said, just very, very unusual. So the question is, are you guys noticing the same thing? Has anybody seen anything? This usually happens to me when there is some kind of an announcement comes out, like yesterday, and I'll mention that quickly. And usually when Amazon's doing something behind the scenes, but it is unusual to go this long in a day for me to get one sale. Let me pull up the message from yesterday just quickly. Okay, here it is. And I just wanted to make a quick comment on this. I didn't want to do a separate video on this. So the message that you guys have probably seen, and if you haven't, this is what we got as an update yesterday. And it says you're now able to add additional colors and fit types to existing Merch by Amazon products. To add new colors or fit types to a product, navigate to the Manage page, select a product to edit, select the desired additional colors or fit types, and publish. Now, honestly, that's pretty, straightforward, pretty basic. Uh, all I would say is, I'm glad, and it's about time. I've said this a few times with Amazon. They are a little behind most of the other print-on-demand platforms when it comes to some of these things. Even like the new upload interface, where you can resize designs, and you don't have to upload 5 different size designs to fit all your products, and including this. And I've been in the past, for example, where I would notice later that after listing an item, that some colors don't work with my design, and I really wanted to change them. or add new colors, and now we have the ability. I actually don't know if we're able to uh, take down certain colors. I just know that in this case we're able to add. I haven't tested it out yet. I've actually looked at it. I've gone and opened, edited one of my live uh, designs, but I actually haven't tried to turn off certain colors. So the fact that we can actually add colors and fit types is perfect. All I can say is, like I said, about time. Great. Nothing more to add. That's it. I'm gonna leave it here. Sales overall, I'm happy. Uh, Last couple of days, U.S. sales have actually been solid for me, 10 and 8. But today is a mystery, and I'm curious how this is going to end. I'll talk to you guys soon.